I'm David Adler, a Senior Solution Consultant here at ServiceNow, specializing in security operations. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about the new Exposure Assessment and VR Health dashboards within ServiceNow Vulnerability Response. These new releases are part of our Vancouver release of the platform. This presentation may contain forward-looking statements that reflect the current beliefs of ServiceNow and are based on current information available. These forward-looking statements should not be relied upon in making purchasing decisions. Our customers are seeing an increased volume of vulnerabilities, which creates an ongoing challenge to accurately assess the true exposure to a software vulnerability. For example, when a new zero-day is discovered or CISA adds a CVE to their known exploited vulnerabilities list, customers want to know immediately what their overall exposure is. To put it another way, customers want to be able to accurately determine the risk of exposure and then be able to take action quickly. That's where exposure assessment comes in. Now, vulnerability response customers with software asset management can have actionable information available to them in the Vulnerability Manager workspace. Additionally, customers need to know whether their existing vulnerability infrastructure provides comprehensive coverage to their organization. The new Vulnerability Response Health Dashboard is a tool designed to empower organizations with comprehensive insights into the implementation and usage of their vulnerability response applications across infrastructure, application, configuration, and cloud scanning. This information helps you to identify the performance, customization, and configuration issues using KPIs. Based on your application's health, you can perform extra analysis or provide recommendations to your teams. These new dashboards are available today with the Vancouver release of the platform, and I'm very excited for you to try them. For further information, please visit ServiceNow.com or reach out to your ServiceNow account team. Thank you.